Let's look at the first key concept of life wave technology, and that is energy. In traditional Chinese culture, qi is an active principle forming part of any living thing. It is often translated as life energy, life force, or energy flow. Everything that exists is made up of various forms of energy. We constantly take in energy from the outside world. However, energy is also created internally from cellular activity, organ function, muscle movement, blood flow, and even our thoughts. When we are healthy, this energy is fluid-like, flowing through the body unobstructed. When we are unhealthy, energy is obstructed somewhere in the body, causing an imbalance. The body cannot heal itself if the bodily systems are not functioning in a balanced manner. The goal of LifeWave is to rebalance the energy flow in the body in order to make all systems function properly and thereby start the healing process from within. But before anyone attempts to use LifeWave patches, the first natural reaction is to ask what is inside the patches. LifeWave patches contain water, oxygen, glucose, and plant-based amino acids, all natural ingredients, and there are no chemicals or any type of medication. LifeWave patches are portable, lightweight, and activate immediately once touching the skin, over your clothing, or even up to 3 centimeters away from the body. No side effects, and the reason is because LifeWave patches are non-transdermal patches. That means nothing goes into our body. Then, the second question most of us would ask is, how the patches work then? LifeWave patches work based on 2 main principles. The first principle is acupuncture. We could say that almost anyone has experienced some form of acupuncture, whether through needles, acupressure, electrical stimulation, moxibustion, etc. And what is important to note is that LifeWave patches have all the benefits of acupuncture, but without the need of using needles. LifeWave patches also work on this second principle, light frequency. Now, what is light frequency exactly? Nowadays, it's well known the healing benefits of morning sunlight, and that is because a specific frequency of sunlight will stimulate our body to produce vitamin D, and also help us to synthesize adequate amounts of vitamin D in order to keep our bones strong and healthy, as well as support the immune system. Also, if we were to spend 2 to 3 hours under the sun, we would end up with a suntan, and that is because another specific frequency of sunlight will stimulate our body to produce melanin. Well, LifeWave patches work on that same principle. Once patches are applied at a specific acupuncture point, the patch will start stimulating that point with a similar result using a needle. That's right, it would stimulate the acupuncture point through a specific frequency.